Here we come to the freight elevator at Harrington Tower at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. This is an old vintage Dover from 1972. Still original. And I think it's already here, so we'll open it up. It's hard to get it open. There we go. The store's gotten a lot heavier since then. And I still see the open air shaft. Got a cat view of this. And there goes a propeller airplane I just heard. Oh my gosh, this thing is so heavy. Yeah, this store's gotten a lot heavier since then. The stores are way too heavy. Alright, now that I finally got my camera set up on a tripod because those doors are way too heavy to close. Anyways, howdy. These doors have gotten a lot too heavy since then. Alright, let's go ahead and get a cab view, and I think I need to switch to a light because it's gotten a lot darker since then. Okay, now that I finally got light, there's a much better cab view of this elevator. And this right here is my tripod that I just stacked my camera on, so it's gonna be. The only thing they added on here is this new phone right here. They used to have a regular phone receiver, but they now replace it with an actual ADA compliant phone. But other than that, everything is still original. All right, let's go up to D and we'll listen to the motor. And opens straight out into the loading dock, which as Diesel Doocy calls it, the space elevator, and that window's filthy. All right, we'll go for another ride. Again, I love these fixtures. This is the same exact panel that I have at home, except it's got like a regular Dover traditional stop switch, and it has 1, 2, and 3 on it, but the panel looks exactly the same. And the key switch is different, and the Dover logo is down at the bottom. All right, what we're gonna do is see if I can get my camera set up, and we'll look at the shaft going up. All right, here what you're getting is a much more better view up in the elevator shaft. So let's take this thing up to the dock level and listen to this motor. Here we go. I guess we'll take it back down. All right. Now that I got a wonderful shaft, you finally got a much better view looking into the elevator shaft. Here's one more view of the fixtures. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this up to one to end there. I love the relays. see if we can hear the relay. No, I don't think you can. But I absolutely love these fixtures. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the door and exit the elevator. It's a lot easier to open than it is to close. All right, let's get one last cab view of this elevator before we close it up. This thing is so rusty, mainly because it's old and it's in an outdoor environment. These are your fixtures. See if the bell rings if you push the button. I absolutely love that bell. Shave and a haircut. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and close this elevator up so other people can use it. I gotta put the strap back inside. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and gig 'em!